I'm super excited. This home is finally finished. I'm here at 1302 Fortaleza. It is at the end of the cul-de-sac, just off of El Camino Real, up in the Spanish Springs area. No bond. Beautiful, beautiful pool. And the backyard are the grazing fields for the horses on the polo team. So let's go on and take a look. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in Florida. My number's here. If you want to make an offer on this home or schedule a private tour, give me a call. All right, let's go on inside and check out all the beautiful things that have been done to this home in the Villages, Florida. All right, we'll start with the exterior, new paint job, all new landscaping, and the landscaping was replaced after the frost. Again, this is on a cul-de-sac. We have no bond. You have whole home gutters. There are a lot of additional features in this home that you're not going to find in this area. Closet. There you go. Everyone that needs a coat closet, you have it. We have the laundry to the right. Granite countertops. This is room for gas dryer. And I don't know, folding space, office space. And I will take you into the garage since I'm right here. This is an expanded deep garage. It's 2-car. It's 25 feet deep. So you can get your big truck, your big car, your toys, your golf carts, multiple 21 hot water heater, and then we have a brand new HVAC. Again, this one has no bond. No, you know what? I'm not taking you out to the pool. I want you to see the rest of the home. We have the guest wing, beautiful bay window, bright, cheery, knockdown ceiling, no popcorn. All brand new LVP flooring throughout 5 1/4 inch baseboard. The home has window treatments and closets. Bathroom. This is a unit that is quartz on the top. And you have tile, shower and tub. Another closet here for some more storage. And this door has a pocket door for this bedroom. And we have the same LVP flooring throughout. Oh, that's a pretty view. And this room does have a closet. No popcorn, no bond. $599,000. This home is a deal, and you don't really find deals all that often, but this is it. Check out this space. Totally beautiful, open, bright, airy kitchen. Lots of extra LED lights were put in during the renovation. There are 2 solar tubes, but take a look here. That wall unit with the television, and that is a working TV, will remain. The bookshelves on the side, you can put any type of little decor in there, all lit, and that fireplace. I think that is so pretty, just adds so much richness to the home. Of course, there's no furniture in here, so I'm echoing, and these are 10-foot ceilings. We'll get into the kitchen. This is beautiful quartz countertops. I almost said granite, didn't mean that. But they have a light veining. You have a little bit of light gray in here, but then you have some copper, which I think is really, really pretty. This looks a little like what I have in my bathrooms. And I have in my bathroom because I was able to get it. It's not the same thing. This is by far better than what I have in my bathroom. It is so pretty, look at that. And you have storage on this island. It's blue on both sides. That there, here I'll show you. This is for the trash. and it's soft closure. All brand new stainless steel appliances. This section does have gas. And a beautiful big sink. And look at that. Most people want a window in front of their sink, behind their sink, and you have it. And it is big, and it's a beautiful day out today. All right, I'm gonna take you into the primary suite, and then we'll go take a little walk around outside. So high volume ceiling here. I think, in my opinion, you have different options to put your bed. You could put it in between those two windows. You can put it on this wall. So you have two opportunities. Bathroom, I'm gonna show you that in a minute because it's really cute. This is a big closet. If you just put some closet organizers in there, I know I say all that, you'll have plenty of space for your things. Now, when you come into the bathroom, these doors here. The light to get in is here. So it's kind of hidden behind the door. There you go. Just so you know, if you're coming in, taking a look, it does have the glass and lit mirror. All right, they're all glass, but super cool. I have these in my kitchen. I'm losing my mind today. I have these in my bathrooms, and I can actually see what I'm doing. You have split sinks, private water closet, redone tile shower, and the tile goes all the way to the ceiling. Linen closet, private water closet. All right, now we're gonna go outside. Look at that. And you can put an outdoor kitchen here. There's gas, water, electric, everything you need right there. I know, right? This home is absolutely stunning, and I'm so excited it's finally finished. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in Florida. If you would like to see this home, call me. My number is right there. $599,000. That is a deal. No bond in this beautiful park-like setting. Call me so it can be yours. You can start moving your things in right away. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a like and subscribe. And don't forget, check this next one out. I think you might like it. Until next time, I'll see ya.